in clean rooms, in grain silos, on production lines. Where does a stable and efficient ventilation system begin? It starts with a powerful heart. This is Wujiang Di Shengshin purification equipment. For over 20 years, we have focused on one mission: the R&D and manufacturing of high-performance, highly reliable small industrial centrifugal fans. We provide global clients with FFU Centrifugal Fans, air shower and clean bench fans, specialized fans for down filling, machines and grain storage. Beyond standard products, our core strength lies in in-depth customization. With a strong R&D team, we can tailor the optimal fan solution to your specific needs, whether for size, airflow pressure, or noise control. Choose Deshengzin. Choose reliability and efficiency. If you are seeking a fan solution, contact us today. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about the professional knowledge of industrial fans.